Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix FPS drops and lag while streaming on Discord. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel, so that is going to be super helpful. So there are some of the causes and concerns that could be causing some lags onto your stream. So it could be fixed by installing your Discord app. If you're doing it using a web browser, that could be an issue since you have some latency on your browsers. The app is much more optimized. Make sure you try to that. You can run Discord as an administrator. You can turn the hardware acceleration on in your Discord settings. You can also select smoother video settings if you are subscribed to the premium plans of Discord, the clouds, and all that stuff. So the Nitro, I mean, and you will have some advanced settings to make your stream even more smoother. You have your checking internet issues, so make sure you give try to that, and that might simply fix up the issues. You also have clear Discord cache and some other steps that you can try out. So I hope these are going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to give try to these. So yeah, make sure to give a try to our other videos as well. Stay tuned and see you guys around in the next one.